We are on Excel Module 3 and this is what we're going to be working on. We're going to create this figure 3-1 along with this clustered column chart. And the first step in this video that we're going to do is type in A1. We're going to type Manola Department Stores Incorporated. That is going to be our worksheet title. In cell A2, we're going to type 6-month financial projection. And we're going to go to the theme. And we're going to apply the slice theme. Now we're going to click the Home tab and we're going to select B3 and we're going to type January. And then we're going to press Enter. And then on the alignment group, we're going to click the dialog box launcher. And we're going to format, we're going to select the Format Cells dialog box. So this is what we're looking at. And then we're going to click, and it says we should have, okay, I think we're in the right cell. It says type January and then click the enter button, which we did. So hopefully we're in the right spot. Click the 75-degree point in the orientation. So 75. And then we're going to click OK. Alright, so it did miss a step. So I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to go back and do that again. So the directions weren't clear on that because it did say enter after you enter January. But okay, so now we have a January on there. Drag the fill handle on the lower left corner of cell B and we're going to go to the right to select C3 through G3. Okay, next step is to release the mouse button to create a month name series in that selected range. Click the autofill button below the right corner of the fill area to display the autofill options. Okay. Click the autofill options button to hide the autofill options. So I think it's just wanting you to know the autofill options button, that it's there. Click cell H3 and type total and then press the right arrow key to enter a column heading. Type chart in cell I3 and then press the right arrow key. So now let's see if this has all of that on there. Okay, maybe the next page will. Alright, so we're going to move the pointer here and we want the width to be 38.50. So you can right click and just enter it in. To me, that's the easiest way to do it. Now release the mouse button. We did that. Click column B to select the column, and then drag through column heading G. So we're going to go all the way from B, all the way from B to G. Move the pointer to the boundary between columns B and C in preparation for resizing. So we're going to do 15. Alright, and then it wants you just to scroll the worksheet so that column H is visible, and then use the technique described in step 1 to increase the column H to 18. Alright, now we're doing column A. And row 4. And then we're going to enter revenue in cell A4. And then cost of goods sold in A5. Gross margin. Then we want expenses in A8, so skip a line. And then expenses, and then we want bonus. And then we want salary. And then we want site rental in A11. Marketing in A12. Miscellaneous in A13. Total expenses in A14. And then operating income in A16. Next, we're going to select cell A5 and then click the Increase Indent button on the Home tab under Alignment Group. So we're going to click Increase Indent. Select the range A9 through A13 and then click the Increase Indent button for those. Select cell A18 to finish entering the row titles and deselect the current cell. And in cell 18, we're going to type what if assumptions. And then we're going to select the range A9 through A13 to copy the values and format of the selected range A9 through A13, in this case to the Office clipboard. So we're going to copy. If necessary, click the scroll down arrow to display cell A19. Okay. Cell A19. Let me make sure I'm... And then necessary, scroll down to the arrow display A9. And then select cell A19, the top cell in the destination arrow. Click the paste button to copy the values and formats of the last items on the office clipboard to the destination A19 through A23. So right down here, we are going to paste. And then we're going to press escape to remove the marquee from the source area and deactivate the paste button. Alright, and then it wants us to right click row heading 20. And then we want to click on insert on the shortcut menu to insert a new row in the worksheet. So in cell A20, we're going to type sales revenue for bonus. Right click heading 19, the row below where you want to insert a row. Click insert a new row in the worksheet. Insert. Okay. Alright, and let's see let's make sure. We'll just make sure that it formats the same. We're going to enter margin so it didn't. So I am going to undo it and see if I can fix it. Right click row heading, the row below where you want to insert a row. Click insert. Okay. And then we want to click on that. Format same as below. Now when we type it, it should work. We want to type margin as the new row title. And then we're going to save the worksheet as SC EX3 Manola, and we'll pick up here in the next video.